Hello. Today, we're going to show you how to integrate openSIS with the Intuit QuickBooks portal. First, visit the Intuit developer portal and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen with several workspace options. You can either use the default sample workspace provided by Intuit or create a new workspace of your own. Next step is to create an app for integrating QuickBooks with openSIS. To do this, go to one of your workspaces here. We're using the sample workspace. Feel free to use your own if you've created one. Inside the workspace, click on the option to create an application. Choose a name for your app, for example, openSIS Integration. Since we'll be using QuickBooks accounting APIs, make sure to select that option and grant the required permissions. Once your app is successfully created, QuickBooks will generate a client ID and client secret. These credentials are essential and will be used inside openSIS to establish the connection. You can view these credentials by toggling the visibility switch. For security, be sure to store them safely. You can also access them later from the Keys and Credentials section in your app settings. Now, let's set the redirect URI. Go to the app settings, and under the redirect URI section, enter the URI as provided in the openSIS support documentation. That completes the app setup on the Intuit developer portal. Now, let's head over to openSIS and complete the integration there. Once we've obtained the client ID and client secret from the QuickBooks developer portal, we'll use them to configure the integration inside openSIS. First, log into openSIS as a super administrator. Then, go to Settings, Billing and Fees, Integrate with QuickBooks. Here, you'll enter the client ID and client secret. If you've already saved these values somewhere, you can simply copy and paste them into the respective fields. Next, choose your environment. Select Sandbox for testing. Choose Production when you're ready to go live. For this demo, we're selecting the Sandbox environment. Now, click Save. Once the credentials are saved, click Connect to QuickBooks. This will redirect you to the QuickBooks authentication portal. If you're not already logged in, it will prompt you to sign in first. After that, you'll be asked to select a company to connect with. Upon successful connection, you'll see your company name, address, and time zone displayed in openSIS. That means the integration was successful. The final step is to enable synchronization. Turn on the toggle switch to activate syncing between openSIS and QuickBooks. This is a crucial step. Unless the switch is enabled, the integration won't function, and student billing or fee sync won't take place. And that's it. Your openSIS system is now integrated with QuickBooks. Thank you for watching.